Hey guys, it's Mina, and we are playing, what's it called? Wolves Life Beta? Yeah, I think it is. And why are you so tiny? And I'm not a pup, I am a Juniliv. I don't know how to say it. I'm just a Juniliv. Juniliv. I need to calm down. And people just come up to me. Sometimes say, I like you, avatar, because my avatar is way too beautiful. Oh. And I don't keep seeing him. And yeah, my avatar is way too beautiful. And just to tell you that in the morning I howl. Even in night and morning I howl. Why? Oh, I miss my friends. Wait, why am I in here? You know, let's be an adult. I'm gonna volume this up. Oh yes, and I play Gacha Life. Guys, is that better? Okay, that is very big. Let's just walk around and see if I oh my god, these sound effects. What? What? Okay, my attack is hidden, and I do not like that. Oh my god, why? I thought there was kissing for a second. I want to dance. Sure, why not dance? This is how I dance. So first I start with this, and then I go with... Guys, I have enough for the wings, but I don't know if it saves. So comment down below if it saves or not. I'm worried about that. Kaz, I'm not done. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video when it gets at 8 minutes, and yeah. Why did I just choke? Oh, I thought that was an island for a second. I'm like, I've never seen an island before. But that's an island. I think I'd have a heart attack. Why am I not talking in my own video? Is the question. The timer is already at 8. Let's just say it stops at 10. Yeah. Okay, and oh, it's time to howl. Oh my god, it's not working again. Why isn't it working? Okay, there. Where's the head? Can you put your head? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Must be stupid. You think that we can stop running it? Are you joking? Must be joking. You can't live it. I ain't joking. Must be crazy. If you think that we can stop again. Ain't no need to cry no more. When you break my heart into 24. Pick up the beat. See if you can. If you think I'm coming back, hold your breath. Alright guys, the timer is already at 8, and so, wait, how about, 12 minutes, that'll do. And I was about to end the video there, and I was just hey. You can howl. Why? Why is he stabbed? He just got stabbed. He just got his wing just got stabbed. Is anyone at adoption now? Whee! No. That's boring. Nope. Oh my god. Alright, well, it's time to end the video here. And make sure to like and subscribe. And see you on Kaz's episode. And comment down below if I said anything about commenting about anything. Yeah, and see you later.